In today's video, I am going to teach you how to import from Evernote to Notion. To begin, open Notion in your browser or desktop app and make sure you are in the workspace where you want your Evernote content to land. If you are on a page like Getting Started, that is fine. The main goal is to get into the correct Notion space before you start the import, since imports are organized inside a specific workspace. Next, look to the left sidebar and click your workspace or team space name to make it active. Once you are in the right space, open Settings. You can usually find Settings in the left sidebar, and it is where Notion keeps the tools for managing your account, your workspace, and your imports. Inside Settings, find and click Import. This opens the list of services Notion can pull content from. From the options, select Evernote. Notion will then prompt you to connect your Evernote account so it can access the notes you choose to bring over. Click Connect Evernote. This will take you through an authorization screen where Evernote asks you to grant Notion permission. On that screen, select the permission option shown, then continue. This step is important because without approval, Notion cannot read your Evernote notes to import them. After you confirm access, you will be sent back into Notion to continue the import setup. Back in Notion, you will see a summary of what will be imported, such as the number of notes. Click the notes selection shown, then click Continue to move forward. Keep in mind that the import may take longer if you have a larger library, so give it a moment if it seems to pause. Now choose where the imported content will go. Click Import Location, then select the destination space provided, such as a new team space. Choosing the right location helps keep your imported notes organized and easy to find later. After selecting the destination, click Continue. Finally, click Go to Import. Notion will start pulling your Evernote content into the location you chose. Once it finishes, you can review the imported pages and adjust formatting or organization if needed. That covers everything you need to know.